Happy National Photographers Day, and the time is here to announce the winner for our DxO Photolab contest. As you will recall, this was a big giveaway, and I want to thank everyone who entered into it. Also want to give a special thanks to DxO Photolab for being so kind and generous to extend all of these programs to the winner. This is quite a bundle that you're going to be receiving. So it's going to include DxO Photolab 8. It's also going to include the Nick Collection 8, Film Pack 7, and DxO Viewpoint 5. So you've got the complete bundle of DxO software, and so you've got something pretty amazing going on here. The winner for this contest, the screen name is PRV. Again, it's PRV. I will be sending over all of the information to download your products via email. And of course, I will use the email that was provided in your contest submission. Congratulations to you. I truly hope you enjoy this bundle of software. I think you're going to be pretty amazed, especially if you're brand new to DxO. But congratulations once again. So much for today's video, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one coming up.